Welcome back, guys. This week's price action levels, 9th of Feb to 13th of Feb. Starting off here with EURUSD, a couple of levels to look at here, 116.133 and 113 level. Look for bounces off this 113 level to go long, although going short is obviously the preferred direction right now. So shorting from 1.16133 would be your place to look at for EURUSD with the correct bearish candlestick. On GBPUSD here, you can see the level was 155.062, which was offering previous support, and then it broke through here with this big red candle and bounced off the 149.28 level. So I would say going short here at 155 is an option to look at, as long as we see a decent bearish candle down out there. If we break over that level, then look to go long on a good bullish candlestick. If it just pops itself above here, then don't go long, wait for it to prove itself. But you can see it's got this downtrend here, so which is why I'm favouring the short side on GBPUSD. On EURJPY, you can see this level here at 135.23 that was previously holding as support. It's a lovely pin bar just there, isn't it? And it's broken through here and it's now turned into a resistance. Judging on this long downtrend here, I would say that you should be looking to go short. So if we get a bearish candlestick in here, then take that as a short signal. We get a break back over here, this 135.25 level, then wait to see a nice bullish candlestick before buying this back up. On NZDUSD, obvious level here, 0.7683. See, it was in a channel all the way through here for ages, then eventually it broke it. Tried to retest it there during that day and then broke to the downside. So obviously if we get back up to 0.7683, then that's the place to start looking at, what's happening at that level to see if it's turning into resistance when it was support. There is another small zone just here, let me just mark that up. You can see just here, it seemed to have found some sort of resistance here over the last 3 or 4 days. So you could watch this. If you see a bullish candlestick, when it breaks over here, you see a bullish candlestick, then maybe look to trade this back up to 76.83. And if we see a bearish candlestick next week under here, then maybe sell this down, back down to 72.19 zone. So NZDUSD, definitely one to keep an eye on. On EURNZD, you can see here the reaction. This is what I talk about on the training course. This bearish candlestick, you can see the level here was defined, and it broke through, found resistance just there, and when it came back up and met that resistance again, it failed to get back through it, and then we got a bearish candlestick just there, which was your entry signal. Okay, it moved up a bit, but it's still continuing to drop. So for EURNZD, look again if we get a bounce back up to this point for a bearish candlestick, sell this back down. Alternatively, if we get back down to this level here, 148.34, which might seem a long way, but this EURNZD moves a lot, quite hard. It's quite a brutal pair. So look down here for a possible buy candlestick to buy this back up, similar to this one here. So on EURNZD, your levels are 155.977 or 148.24. On GBPJPY, this is quite an interesting one, because of the levels that we're at now. You can see here its previous supporting level at 180.181. It's now at this level. So if we see a bearish candlestick under here, then that's a sell back down to 176.63. If we break this level, then look for a bullish candlestick to trade this back up. It's just interesting that you've got these levels here. You can see this support just here, 176.63, and this level here at 181.81. So we're right on this now. So in the next couple of days, look for something bearish under here to signal you a short entry. So that's it for this week's look at our price action levels. Remember, if you want to learn how to trade like this, then I have a training course available from the website which teaches you how to find your levels, which candlesticks to use. It's about 4 hours of training plus a couple of bonus videos, so if you're interested in that, take a look on the website, or alternatively tick the like button, subscribe, or send us a message, and we'll see you next week.